Welcome to Tabitha Yoga Online. Hi, I'm Tabitha and I'm so glad you're here. Yoga and Pilates are two of my favourite things in the world and I'm excited to share them and offer you this space to connect with your body, mind and spirit. Tabitha Yoga Online is all about giving you the freedom to practice yoga and Pilates in your own space, in your own time. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, our classes are designed to fit into your busy lifestyle. There are hundreds of yoga and Pilates classes, meditation and relaxation for all levels. We're here to help you find the perfect practice for you. We've made it super easy for you too. So whether you'd like to join one of our membership plans or just drop onto a class, press and play straight away you can. We believe that everyone deserves access to quality yoga and Pilates instruction. For a balanced, healthy lifestyle, Tabitha Yoga Online is your best solution. So why not come on in, explore and find your balance. Namaste.